Hi everyone, I'm Sunny Shun, CEO of Echo Protocol. Blockchain was built for humans, but AI agents are taking over DeFi. Echo is the missing permission layer that keeps humans in control. Right now, if you want an AI agent to trade on your behalf, you have two options. Give it your private key, and it can drain your entire wallet. Or give it nothing, and it can't do anything useful. The Ethereum Foundation has formally identified 3 unsolved problems here. Hosts stealing keys, agents with no bounded mandate, and malicious replay attacks. These aren't theoretical, they're happening in production DeFi today. 3 forces have converged right now. First, AI agents are live in DeFi. Frameworks like Eliza and Brian are already deployed. Second, ERC 4337 has been live on mainnet since 2023, giving us the execution hook we need. Third, the Ethereum Foundation's own PhD fellowship RFP names our exact 3 problems as unsolved priorities. The infrastructure gap is real, the timing is perfect. Echo solves this with 4 components. Policy spec. The user signs a typed policy once, defining exactly what the agent can do, which tokens, which DX, what limits, for how long. Execute key. The agent gets a scope credential, not a private key, and can only act within the policy. On-chain validation. Every transaction is verified by an ERC 7579 validator before execution. And our proxy adapter means existing AI frameworks need 0 code changes. Just swap the RPC URL. Here's the user flow. Step 1. The user configures their policy and signs it in the dashboard. Takes about 30 seconds. Step 2. The AI agent receives its execute key and starts operating. Step 3. The user can watch every transaction execute in real time, all within the signed policy. You can see this live at echodemopi.versal.app. How does this compare to existing solutions? Private key sandboxes and MPC wallets give the agent too much power with no policy layer. Safe multisig controls spending amounts, but it cannot distinguish intent. An approved to a malicious contract and an approved to Uniswap look identical to safe. Echo's intent validator distinguishes them. We occupy a layer no one else does. We've validated this in competition. First prize at the Asia AI Startup Competition. AWS Most Commercially Valuable AI at AI Flow Hackathon. ETH Global Bangkok and Singapore. And a PhD fellowship proposal submitted directly to the ETH Foundation's Agentic Economy RFP. Afterpay, AWS Activate, and the Ethereum Foundation have all confirmed Echo addresses the core trust gap. Echo enables financial inclusion. Non-technical users can safely delegate DeFi to AI without handing over private keys. All core components will be open-sourced and submitted as an EIP. This is public infrastructure for the whole ecosystem, not a proprietary moat. Our revenue model has 3 stages. Near-term, developer SDK, freemium for integration, Pro tier with SLA and custom policy templates, enterprise tier for institutions. This gets us to revenue immediately as teams onboard. Medium term, protocol fee, a basis point fee on transaction volume through the Echo execution layer, scaling automatically with AI agent adoption in DeFi. Long term, policy marketplace, revenue share on premium templates and certification fees for custom operation registry submissions. The registry becomes a community moat that compounds over time. Subscription first, volume second, marketplace third. We're already in build. Smart contracts and SDK in development now. OpenClaw and Afterpay integration in Q2. Mainnet launch and ETH global community release by end of year. The roadmap is aggressive. We have the technical depth to execute. I'm Sunny, NTU CCTF alumni president, ETH global veteran. Dr. Jeff Ma, CTO, PhD candidate NTU, previously MasterCard R&D and Kronos Research, MEV and Quant expert. Cade Eanes CMO, MSc Blockchain NTU, Web3 researcher. Pan Junyu, our advisor. Chairman of HK AI Innovation Association, CPPCC member, FinTech founder. Blockchain was built for humans. Echo makes it safe for agents, without removing the human from the loop. We're at echopri.ai. Happy to take questions.